Coach PJ here. Time, your most valuable asset. Once it's gone, you can never get it back. 25% of business owners indicate that 1 hour of their time is worth more than $500. If you as a business owner are wearing multiple hats, as most do, it can be challenging to maintain control over how you allocate your time for your day-to-day activities. When things routinely aren't getting done, it affects your mindset, your employees, and your bottom line. Becoming aware of how you are using your time is one of the quickest ways to gain control and inspire a more positive outlook about your work for you and your employees. First, stop wasting valuable time. The first step to improving it is to identify where you're wasting that time. Jot down your daily activities for a week or two, and then take a look at them, analyze the results, and ask yourself these questions. Are your activities delivering productive outcomes? Are you spending your time on what matters most to the success of the business? And do your activities cause a ripple effect and increase rework for others? What things are you not doing that you should be doing? Then you can start scheduling your tasks. I recommend a system of time blocking to prioritize tasks and ensure critical work doesn't get overlooked and pushed aside. This approach requires planning your day or week in advance by designating specific blocks of time to each and every task or activity in your day. If you don't finish a task in a lot of time, reschedule more time. You'll quickly get the hang of it, accurately estimating how long to take for routine tasks, and this practice will eliminate that nagging feeling we get when we realize too many undone projects have piled up. If you are serious about building good habits with your time, check out my video on the power of habits and learn more. Next, avoid multitasking. There is no such thing as multitasking. When we think we're multitasking, we're actually doing one thing we really should be doing and another thing that is probably less important. And by doing both activities at the same time, we end up giving the important and the less important thing the same amount of inadequate attention. In other words, it's a lose-lose. If you practice time blocking your schedule, you'll naturally fall into the pattern of focusing on one task at a time. But whatever productivity approach you follow, giving your attention to a single task improves overall efficiency and accuracy, saving you time in the long run. Fourth, delegate. If you are feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list, perhaps there are tasks that can come off your list. Ask yourself, have you clearly distinguished between work you're best at and work you can pass on to employees? Have you hired the right people? And do you trust your staff to do their work? Number 5, take breaks. As a business owner, it's easy to work through the day without taking a break. Day after day, however, that kind of schedule is exhausting and leads to mistakes and poor decision making. When you practice tip number 1, scheduling yourself, be sure to include downtime to relax and recharge yourself. Number 6, organize your work area. It's easier said than done, but keeping a well-organized workspace will not only save you time, but will give you a sense of ease and control and put you in a more productive mindset. If this is a problem area that continues to challenge you, schedule time weekly for organizing. If your situation has become too unorganized, then consider hiring a professional organizer to help you reorganize your space and develop a system that works for you. As the owner, you set the tone for productivity in your business. Make it a priority, and so will your team. If you got value from this video, subscribe, click the bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. You can also like, comment, or share this video. Until next time.